Whoa, who is this trust advisor, and why does the trust advisor potentially have so much power in my trust? This is Meryl Bailey, managing partner at Your Caring Law Firm. When you are the grantor of a revocable living trust, you have the right to change the words. When you get on the bus, that right to change the words dies with you. The trust becomes irrevocable. Now, irrevocable trusts have never truly been irrevocable. We always have had the right to go to court to ask a judge to change the words. This isn't ideal. First, court procedures generally are public record. Do you really want your family business out there? Second, going to court is frightfully expensive. Third, you never know what the judge might do. You can say, Your Honor, 1 + 1 = 2, so please change the words to 2. And the judge can say, I've always liked 9. Let's make it 9. And you're like, what just happened? The trust advisor, known as trust protector in almost every other state but Florida, is a concept brought to Florida from international trust law. Think of Tinkerbell. The trust advisor is an independent expert in the area of the trust that needs to be changed, who will fly in like Tinkerbell, evaluate the situation, and decide, yes, beneficiary, it clearly is in your best interests to change the words, so I will change the words. Or say, beneficiary, just because you don't like this doesn't mean that it needs to be changed. So nope, I'm not changing it. The trust advisor can wave her magic wand, like Tinkerbell, change the words, then fly back out. No court action is necessary. The trust advisor, Tinkerbell, has constraints on her magic wand. Her power is not all-encompassing, and the trustee cannot also be the trust advisor. We generally don't name the trust advisor now. In a revocable living trust, so long as the grantor, you, is alive, the grantor can change the words, so you don't need a trust advisor now. Second, you don't want to pay a trust advisor to be on deck. Third, you don't know now what expertise your beneficiaries might need in a trust advisor long after you're gone. Your beneficiaries only will need a trust advisor when something that isn't accommodated in your trust comes up. And you know how long and involved your trust is. The chances are we will never need the trust advisor, but it is a good idea to keep the position in your trust.